Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song The Lord's Prayer by Hillsong Worship. As always, I'm going to play through the song for you first, and at the end I'll break it down and explain it to you in more detail, so make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and get started playing through the song.
Father in heaven, holy is your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Our Father in heaven, lead us not into temptation, God deliver us from the enemy. Yours is the kingdom and the power and the glory forever. Give us each moment all that we need. Forgive us our sins as we forgive the ones who have sinned against us. Our Father in heaven, lead us not into temptation, God deliver us from the enemy. Yours is the kingdom and the power and the glory forever. Yours is the kingdom and the glory and the glory forever. Our Father, have your way on the earth
All right, so for this song, we're only going to be using 4 chords from the G chord family. We're going to be using the G chord, the C add 9 chord, E minor 7, and D over F sharp. Now, you may notice that for all of these 4 chords, our 3rd and 4th finger are never moving. So for the whole song, your 3rd and 4th finger are going to stay on the 3rd fret of the B and high E string. The only 2 fingers that are going to be moving are your 1st and 2nd finger. So this is going to make transitioning a lot easier because your hand really doesn't have to move that much for the entire song. Now, it's important to remember that for that C add 9 chord, we want to avoid hitting that low E string. So what we can do is we can use our thumb just to touch it. That way it doesn't resonate while we're strumming that chord. For all of the other chords, we want to strum all 6 strings. For strumming, we're going to be using the driving pattern, which is a nice simple 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums with an up strum added after beat 4, and then the pattern is going to repeat. We also want to put emphasis on beat 1 and 3. So that's every other beat we want to strum harder. So on beat 2 and 4, on the softer beats, we can get away with strumming not even all of the strings. We can maybe just strum 2 or 3 of the strings for beats 2 and 4. The important thing is just to create the dynamics of hard and soft, or loud and quiet. So I'm going to hold the G chord while I do that strum pattern, and I'm going to count the beats out so that you can hear what's happening. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.